How to make $100 a day online in 2020, and if you'll do it right, you can even make $100 per hour. Hey, what's up guys, this is Art from Art of Marketing blog, and in this video I'm going to show you a super cool and easy method of making $100 per day or per hour. You can do this working from home. All you need is a few minutes per item, and I'm going to show you exactly how this works. But before, let me give away $10 as always. If you want to win $10 right now, please like this video, subscribe to this channel of mine, click on the bell for notifications, and leave me a comment with your email so I know where to send the prize to, and I'll be revealing the winner of the previous giveaway in the end of this video, so please stick with me until the end. And also don't forget to check out all the links in the description of this video. The first link is my top recommended resource for making money online and working from home, and I recently updated it, so this is a brand new $400 per day case study. Check everything else out as well. And right now, let me share my screen and let me show you exactly how to make $100 per day online in 2020 from home. Now, I wanted to show you this graphic first. So as you can see, we're going to be doing arbitrage or flipping. So we are here in the middle. Essentially what we're going to be doing is finding a low market and buying something for a low price, and then finding a higher market and selling the same exact item for a higher price. Now, the cool thing is that you don't need to do any work whatsoever. You are here in the middle, you're the middleman. You're just connecting the buyer with the seller, and you're cashing in on the difference in price, which means that you can do this in literally minutes per day. And again, you can do $100 per day with it or $100 per hour. Really cool strategy, especially if you're new to making money online and if you want to make your first $100 in a single day. Okay, with that being said, let me show you the website we're going to be working with, and the website that I absolutely love for this is Fiverr.com. okay, so on Fiverr you can find a bunch of different gigs that you can buy and easily flip, because Fiverr is a really not expensive place to buy. Okay, so as you can see, we got graphic design, we got digital marketing, writing and translation, video and animation, music and audio, programming and tech, business. But the category that I wanted to show you in this video is lifestyle and then arts and crafts. So this is a very underused category. Not many people actually know about it. So if we're gonna open it up, as you can see, we can buy a bunch of different really cool gigs for just a few bucks, and we can easily flip these. Okay, so as you can see, you got pencil portraits, we got like canvas on the wall, we got professional jewelry made from pasta. So just a bunch of different creative things. You can go through all of this obviously, but I just wanted to show you a couple of examples that really make sense, that you can make a lot of money with. Okay, so if you want to make $100 per day online in 2020, this is a type of a gig that I would definitely recommend. Okay, so this gig says I will paint your portrait in oil on canvas. So we actually have a person, a physical person, drawing it on an oil canvas. Okay, so this is not something done digitally. This person will actually paint it for you. Okay, so as you can see, the price is €61.90, which is like $65-70. And the cool thing is that obviously we can sell it for much more, and the website that I would recommend for you is Etsy. Okay, so I just typed in custom oil painting on Etsy, and as you can see, we got €183 right here, which is like $200. Again, 183, 160, 183, 122, 235 even right here. So as you can see, we can easily buy this for $61 or €61 and flip it for, you know, at least 180 to 235. Okay, so we can make $100 plus per flip. Okay, so the way to set it up is obviously set up a listing on Etsy. Then once someone will actually buy from you, you go to Fiverr and you tell this person to deliver whatever the buyer wants from you, and obviously you're gonna tell this person to send it to the address of your buyer, which means that you don't even have to handle the shipping or anything like this. Okay, so you're just being the middleman. And again, 183 minus 61, that means you're gonna be making €120 in pure profit, which is like $140. Okay, so obviously you can do this in a few minutes, so not even an hour, but in a few minutes. Really cool strategy. So definitely your portrait in oil canvas, this is an amazing gig. And I found another one, and as you can see, it says I will draw your realistic portrait in the pencil sketch. Okay, so this person actually charges $5. This is absolutely crazy. And again, on Etsy you can easily flip it. As you can see, we got custom portrait from a photo, €33, €84, €65, €47, 30, 40 to 37 again. So you can pay $5 and can easily flip this for $30 to $50, and if you're gonna do it a couple of times within an hour, you can actually make $100 per hour. So this works perfectly in 2020. This will work perfectly for the years to come, because these websites are only getting bigger. Okay, Etsy is getting bigger, Fiverr is getting bigger. You're gonna have more sellers, you're gonna have more buyers, and all you have to do is just get in the middle of these two and cash in on the price difference. Okay, now another website I wanted to show you that is perfect for this is eBay. Okay, so going back to this original gig that I showed you, so a portrait in oil on canvas. If we're gonna go to eBay, as you can see, the same exact gig or listing, we can sell it for 116. So not as much as on Etsy, but we can still make 50 to 60 euro, obviously depending on how big the actual custom oil portrait is. Okay, so 16 by 12 we got 116, 16 by 23 we had 174. So obviously it all depends on the original gig, how big this portrait is. And the second gig, drawing a realistic portrait in pencil, I found this on eBay as well. So as you can see, obviously on Fiverr we can get it for $5 and we can sell it for 16 to 30. Right here on eBay we got 53, we have 18 to 45. So again, much more expensive, and all you have to do is just get in the middle of these two, be the middleman, and you can make a lot of money this way. Now obviously going back to Fiverr, this category, lifestyle, arts and crafts, is just one category. You have all these different categories and you can flip literally anything that you're gonna find on Fiverr. And I just wanted to show you an example of a gig. So let's pick the first gig right here from the graphic and design category. We're gonna go with logo design. Okay, so obviously on Fiverr you're gonna find a variety of different logo and prices. Okay, so it can go as low as $5, it can go as high as probably like 250 or probably even more, because Fiverr used to be about $5 gigs. Now the prices are much more expensive, but with that being said, you can still find people that will deliver a logo for $5. Okay, so the trick is, if you're in the logo and design category, you have this budget icon right here. So all we have to do is click right here and say minimum $5, maximum let's say $10, and let's check out how many gigs we are actually getting for this price. As you can see, we are getting tons and tons of people that are actually delivering logos for $5 to $10. So as you can see, we got a bunch of different logo variations for $5 to $10. So we have the hand-drawn logo, we have the watercolor logo, we have premium quality logo, all these different logos. And obviously you can sell logos on a bunch of different websites. And what I would recommend to you is just go to Craigslist and locally, first of all, see what people are charging, and secondly, just set up a listing and try to sell a logo this way. And sometimes you're actually going to find people that will put up a listing saying, I'm looking for a logo designer. Okay, so Craigslist is perfect for this. I just tried to find some logos in London, UK, because this is close to me. So as you can see, we have a bunch of different listings right here, and this one says affordable web design for startup and small businesses for only £200, which is like $250. Okay, so what this guy is actually doing, he is probably a logo designer. He has a bunch of different prices. So actually £197, which is $250, is just the starting price. He also has £500 and £1,000. Okay, so obviously, he tries to make as much money as he can, but you don't have to be a logo designer, you don't have to be a graphic designer. All you have to do is just go back to Fiverr and hire someone. Even if you're gonna pay $25, and if you're gonna flip it for $200 or $250, this is more than enough to make $100 per day or $100 per hour. Okay, so again, this will work perfectly in 2020, because again, these websites are only getting bigger. And again, logo design is just one of an examples, because you can flip whole websites. You can do, as you can see, banners, you can do business cards, you can do illustrations, you can do portraits, cartoons, storyboards, a bunch of different things. And what you also can do is you can actually bundle a bunch of different things. So let's say you're gonna be working for a company, they're gonna need a logo, they're gonna need a poster, they're gonna need a flyer, they're gonna need a banner. You can just bundle it all together and sell it for at least $100, and you're gonna be paying $5 each. So maybe you can spend $25 for all of these and you can easily flip it for $100. Okay, so again, Craigslist is one of these places that you will definitely find clients for, especially locally. Another place that I found is usnetads.com. okay, so for US net ads, these are US free classified ads. Okay, so you can just post a listing for free, and if someone contacts you, again, you just go back to Fiverr, you get the logo and then you deliver it this way. So as you can see, I typed in logo design and I'm getting a bunch of different ads right here. So this website is definitely somewhere that you can put a classified ad on for free, so you don't have to spend any money. And another website I found is classifiedads.com. Again, this is a free classified ads website that you can make money with. So you can list any category, but again, I just looked for a logo, and as you can see, we have a bunch of different, even a logo $1,000 right here. So you get the point. Locally, people are willing to pay much more than on Fiverr. So again, you can just flip these logos in a bunch of different ways. Obviously, if you have some classified ads websites locally in your local area, you can list them right there as well. Or I just found a couple. You got probably dozens of different classified ads websites online. Okay, and still going with the logo example, obviously you can set up a listing on Upwork. Upwork is a website for freelancers, and I just did a quick search. As you can see, and when it comes to logo design, people are charging $40 per hour, $35 per hour, $50 per hour, $20, $75, even $60 per hour. Okay, so obviously if you have an Upwork profile, people gonna contact you, and then you're gonna say, okay, to design this logo I need whatever, 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours. You're gonna have to actually agree on the terms with a buyer first, but as you can see, even if you're just gonna say, okay, I need 1 hour, this will be $40 to $50, and you can easily flip these logos on Upwork. Another website you can use is freelancer.com, and as you can see, I found this gig right here: design a logo for a waterproofing company, $37. So again, you can buy it on Fiverr for $5, flip it for $37, and as you can see, we got 71, we got 20, we got 135, we got 25, 20, 38, 100, 174. So tons and tons of possibilities for making money online this way. And again, you can make $100 a day online, you can make $100 an hour online in 2020 very easily. And the last website I wanted to show you is peopleperhour.com. I went to services, and again, logo design, and actually on people per hour, the prices are very different. Okay, so they start at around 10-15 euro, which is like $15-20, and they go as high as 140, okay, which is like $150. So you can try listing right here for a little bit higher. So let's say if you're gonna buy a logo for $5, you can try to sell it for like 20 or 25, 4 logos, and you're gonna be making $100 per day. Okay, so this is definitely something that you can add your gig to. So what I would do is I would try to set up as many of these listings as I can. So I would use definitely Craigslist, I would use all the free classified ads websites that I can find, I would use Upwork, Freelancer, I would use People Per Hour, any our freelancing website. Maybe you can even try to market yourself on Facebook and Facebook groups, etc. So the more you put yourself out there, the more clients you're gonna get, and the more gigs you're gonna flip. Okay, so again, logo design is just one of these examples. Graphic and design is just one category. You can do digital marketing, obviously you can do SEO, you can do influencer marketing, etc. You can do writing and translation. That's huge, especially for website content, blog content, etc. Video and animation, another great one, especially for spokesperson videos, for logo animation, for intros and outros, etc. Obviously, if you want, you can do music and programming, and also business. So Fiverr is just a gold mine for these gigs. They are super cheap, and obviously you can sell them in a bunch of different ways. So I hope that I opened your mind to all the possibilities. And again, 100 euro per day or $100 per day is just the starting point. If you do it quick, if you know how to do it, essentially you're just copying and pasting one gig to another place, and you can make $100 per hour very easily this way. So I would definitely recommend this strategy for anyone just starting online. Even if you never made a single dollar online, this is a strategy that you can successfully use and you can make a ton of money this way, okay? So this is my strategy for you today, and before we go, let's check out who won the $10 giveaway from my previous video. And my previous video is this one right here: make $14 PayPal money over and over, make money online 2020. So let me grab the URL. Let's go to YouTube comment, random comment picker, and let's paste in the URL. Let's filter out the duplicates and let's see how many comments we have. We have 48 comments, and right now let me pick a random winner. Got Red Hadwin Jasmil, I hope I'm saying this right. This video is good and helpful, and I get the email. So right now I'm going to send you $10. Congratulations. And if you want to win $10 just like Jasmil just did, please like this video, subscribe to this channel of mine, click on the bell for notifications, and leave me a comment with your email so I know where to send the $10 to. Okay guys, so as you're seeing, I just sent the $10 to the winner of the giveaway. Congratulations again. Do these 4 things if you want to win $10. And again, don't forget to check out all the links in the description of this video. Again, the first link is my top recommended resource for making money online and working from home. I just recently updated it, so this is a brand new fresh case study that shows you how I made $400 in 45 minutes using nothing else but free online tools and free software. Check everything else out as well. And again, this video showed you how to make $100 a day online in 2020. Check out all the rest of the videos on this channel. I'm always uploading videos on how to make money online, how to work from home, so check it all out. If you have any questions, you can always leave me a comment down below. I try to answer as many of these as I can. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe, and I'll be seeing you very shortly in the next video. Ciao.